Everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to set a song as your ringtone on Android. The first thing you do is determine which MP3 app you want to use. Now I have this music player over here, that is this one. I'm using the DD music player, and you choose the song you want to use from your music player. Let's say I want to use this particular one. Now once this particular song from your player, tap on the tray to the top right corner, and then you see the option for set as ringtone. Then you tap on set. It's as simple as that. So you can simply go to settings, tap on settings, and then scroll down to, so when you tap on settings, sounds and vibration, tap on it. Then you have ringtone over here, tap on it. Then you tap on the same card where you want to get the song from. You can see all these ones already there, but these are the ones that come from the phone. So tap on plus, and then to open up your sound speaker, then you will see all the songs we have. Then you can choose the one you want. You can also search for it if you want. If you're not sure of it, you can search for it. So you have to search for the song. So once you find it, tap on it, and then tap on done. And now I've set this particular song as my ringtone. It's as simple as that.